If you need assistance with Bybit, contacting their support team is straightforward. Follow these steps to get in touch with them effectively. Step 1. Visit the Bybit website. Go to the official Bybit website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Look for the support or help center link, usually found at the bottom of the homepage. Click on it to access various support resources. Step 3. Use the live chat feature. Once in the support section, locate the live chat option, typically available in the bottom right corner. Click on it to start a conversation with a support representative. Step 4. Submit a support ticket. If live chat isn't available or you prefer written communication, find the option to submit a support ticket. Fill out the required information and describe your issue clearly. Step 5. Check the FAQ and help article. Before reaching out, consider browsing the FAQ and help articles available on the support page. Many common issues are addressed there, which might save you time. If you follow these steps, you should be able to contact Bybit support easily. Don't hesitate to reach out for help whenever you need it.